Easy Bites, Mastering Appetizers. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the wonders of the English language and its practical uses in everyday life. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a phrase that's deliciously inviting. Prepare appetizers. Whether you're a food enthusiast or simply looking to enhance your English vocabulary, this video will serve up some tasty insights. So, let's get started and explore how this phrase is used in different contexts. Prepare appetizers refers to the process of making small dishes served before the main meal. Appetizers are designed to stimulate the appetite, offering a glimpse into the chef's culinary world. These can range from simple snacks like chips and dips to more elaborate miniatures of culinary art. The key here is that appetizers are not just about filling the stomach but also about preparing the palate for the flavors that are to follow in the main course. Appetizers hold a special place in many cultures around the world, each with its unique twist on these pre-meal delights. For instance, in Italian cuisine, appetizers or antipasti might include cured meats, cheeses, and olives. Meanwhile, in Indian cuisine, appetizers could range from samosas to chaat, each bursting with flavor. Understanding the cultural context can add depth to your culinary vocabulary and appreciation for international cuisines. Let's put our phrase into action. Here are a few examples. Tonight, I'm going to prepare appetizers for our dinner party. Could you help me prepare appetizers? I'm thinking of making some bruschetta and stuffed mushrooms. Learning to prepare appetizers is a great way to improve your cooking skills and impress your guests. These sentences not only show the phrase in use but also highlight its versatility in different situations. Preparing appetizers can be as simple or as complex as you make it. Here are a few tips to get you started. Keep it simple. Choose recipes that can be made ahead of time and easily assembled before serving. Focus on flavor. Even simple ingredients can be elevated with the right seasonings and presentation. Be mindful of dietary restrictions. Offer a variety of appetizers to cater to different dietary needs, ensuring everyone has something to enjoy. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of the phrase, prepare appetizers, and sparked an interest in exploring culinary expressions in English. Remember, cooking is a universal language, and learning how to talk about it can connect us in delightful ways. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more engaging content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning tips. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.